Hi, welcome to unboxing of the Itel S32, popularly referred to as the Dual Selfie Camera. The Itel S32, as you can see, is in a very nice package, and on the front of the box you can see some of the specifications. It has a dual selfie camera, which is its selling point. It also has a fingerprint sensor and a 5.5 HD IPS display. At the top you can see it has a 12-month warranty, meaning if anything happens to it, you can replace any of the parts at the service center. Also at the back you can see more of the specifications of the phone. One of the specifications is that it runs on Android 7.0, which is the Android Nougat. It's also the dual selfie camera has a specification of 2.0 megapixel and 8.0 megapixel. In addition, the rear camera has an autofocus with 8.0 megapixels. The ROM is 16 gig, while it has a RAM of 1 gig. Also, it runs on a quad-core 1.3 gigahertz processor with GPS enabled, and it has a battery life of 3000 mAh with WCDMA being its network, and also it has a front soft light. With all these features, it seems the Itel S32 is a lovely phone to own. But aside the specifications, let us see what exactly is inside this lovely box. We want to do now is to do the actual unboxing of S32. That is, we want to look at the contents of the package. So since it has a covering, so let's tear this off. So wow, we have the actual device. This is the S32. This is lovely. Written on it is smartphone case. So meaning we have an additional, we have a casing that comes with the package. Is there anything else inside? So okay, so this is the battery of the S32. Okay, so what do we have here? The power adapter and the earphone. We have the adapter, the US cable, and the earpiece. So these are the contents inside the box. I'm going to peel this off. So as you can see, these are the dual cameras. So we'll get to find out what these are when we put on the phone. At the bottom we have the buttons. So in this case they are on screen, the 3 buttons. Then at the side we have the power button right here, and we also have the volume button. There's nothing on this other side. So at the back, this is the fingerprint sensor, and we also have the 8 megapixel camera here. At the top we have the audio jack. This is where you insert your earphone. Okay, at the bottom these are the speakers, and you also have the power outlet also right here. It's now time to power on the device. So I'm going to remove this and insert the you can see the memory card slot right here, and the dual SIM outlet. So okay, the routine setup screen. At this point it's asking if I wish to unlock with fingerprint. So I'm going to skip for now. Skip. What else do I want to do? I can do all the other setups later, so I'm just going to click on this setup later. Which country am I? Whichever country you are, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to select that. Next. Okay, welcome. Got it. Wow, this looks nice. Ooh. I'm sure you want to have this in your hands now. Let me look at the settings. Okay, about, you can see the version, the model number, Itel S32. The Android version is 7.0 as stated earlier. What's the storage like? Yes, the out of the device storage, about 3 point something gig has been used. So that's for the software that's running. This is just the unboxing of the Itel S32. Shortly we will do another video of the review. We want to really see how it works, whether the performance matches the look of the Itel S32. So I enjoin you to look forward to the review of the Itel S32 on this platform. Thanks for being with us.